Hi guys, here we got the croissants. We baked it this morning. To make a croissant, it takes time, takes dedication, takes professionalism. But that's not the end of it. We need always to bear in mind that we need to use a proper oven. In this case, we use the Moretti serieX. I prove it underneath. We got a proving chamber just under, which you can regulate the temperature according to your need. Usually, whatever is more than 35–40% of fat, butter in this case, you need to decrease the proving temperature, but extend the time. The baking, it took me 22 minutes. You can actually still feeling the crunchiness. I baked it this morning around 9 o'clock. So after a few hours, it's still nice and crunchy. That is the typology of the oven that you are using. I'm Alessandro and thank you for watching.